the ultimate guide to networking for beginners. Many aspiring tech professionals feel a tremor of anxiety when faced with networking events, especially when the conversations need to unfold in English. It's like standing at the edge of a vast ocean, knowing you need to swim but feeling unsure about the currents and depths. This feeling is entirely normal, and it shouldn't deter you from unlocking incredible career opportunities. Imagine your English skills as a boat. Initially, it might feel wobbly, but with the right guidance, it becomes a vessel for exploration. Today, we're navigating these waters together, providing the tools you need to make networking in English not just manageable, but truly empowering. In the competitive landscape of tech, your technical prowess alone isn't always enough to open doors. Your network often holds the key. Building strong connections in English can transform abstract job postings into direct introductions, turning cold applications into warm referrals. Consider networking your personal growth engine, fueled by every new connection and conversation. These interactions are not just about finding your next role, but about discovering mentors, collaborators, and friends who will shape your professional journey. It's about planting seeds that will blossom into unforeseen career opportunities and personal development. Confidence in English, particularly in spontaneous conversation, can feel like an elusive butterfly, constantly flitting just beyond your grasp. Yet, it's not about achieving perfection, but about embracing progress and genuine interaction. Think of each networking conversation as a brief, friendly sprint, not a marathon. Your primary goal is to connect, not to deliver a flawless speech. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, demonstrates that authentic engagement, even with an accent or a slight hesitation, is far more impactful than silence. This approach builds courage and opens pathways for genuine professional relationships. Before you even step into the room, preparation is your secret weapon, transforming uncertainty into strategic advantage. Just as an architect blueprints a building, you should blueprint your interactions by researching attendees or companies of interest. Knowing who you want to meet and what they do provides relevant discussion points and demonstrates genuine interest. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, has likely done their homework, allowing them to tailor their approach. This pre-event groundwork ensures your conversations are not random encounters, but purposeful engagements, setting the stage for meaningful connections. Crafting an effective opening line in English is like finding the perfect key to unlock a conversation. Avoid generic phrases. Instead, aim for something brief, personable, and perhaps linked to a shared interest or observation. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, might comment on a recent industry news item or the event's keynote speaker. Remember, your introduction is merely an invitation for further dialogue, not a monologue. Keep it concise, allowing the other person space to respond, fostering a natural conversational flow. This simple approach can turn awkward silences into engaging exchanges. Once the conversation begins, active listening becomes your superpower, proving you're truly engaged, not just waiting for your turn to speak. It involves more than just hearing words. It's about understanding nuances, asking clarifying questions, and mirroring enthusiasm. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, will demonstrate this by nodding, making eye contact, and offering thoughtful follow-up questions that delve deeper into the other person's insights. This approach makes others feel valued and establishes a foundation of mutual respect. It's the art of letting the conversation breathe and flourish organically. The true art of networking extends beyond the initial handshake. It resides in the thoughtful follow-up, transforming a fleeting acquaintance into a lasting connection. Just as a gardener tends to newly planted seedlings, you must nurture your professional relationships. A prompt, personalized follow-up email in English, referencing a specific detail from your conversation, reinforces your sincerity and recall. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, understands that this personalized touch is crucial. This small gesture demonstrates professionalism and keeps the pathway open for future collaboration, ensuring your efforts bear fruit. It's natural to feel a flutter of anxiety before and during networking events, like a stage fright before a performance. However, remember that every interaction, regardless of its perceived perfection, is a practice session, strengthening your conversational muscles. Embrace these moments as learning opportunities, not as tests. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, might have once felt this same apprehension, yet consistent exposure and a positive mindset have transformed their approach. Each small step, each brief conversation, diminishes fear and builds an unshakable confidence, turning potential apprehension into genuine enjoyment. Consistent networking isn't just about immediate job opportunities. It's about cultivating a thriving ecosystem around your career, a forest of connections that offers shade and resources for years to come. These relationships become invaluable assets, providing insights, mentorship, and even unexpected collaborations. A friendly young professional at a tech meetup, confidently introducing themselves in English, understands that each conversation is a seed planted, contributing to this expansive professional garden. Over time, this consistent effort yields a robust support system, opening doors you never knew existed and amplifying your professional influence far beyond your expectations. Mastering networking in English is a skill that will serve you throughout your entire career, acting as a powerful accelerator for your professional growth in the tech industry. It's not merely about speaking perfectly, but about speaking effectively, with authenticity and purpose. This journey of professional communication starts right here, on StudyNow, where we equip you with practical strategies and the confidence to apply them. Unlock your full potential in tech. Subscribe to StudyNow now, and let's transform your career trajectory together, one confident English conversation at a time. Your future self will thank you for this leap.